Hello there, Spencer, I see you. Your boy, I see you. Spencer, with my eyes. Spencer, you prick. I'm a magician, Spencer, a furious magician. I bought a guitar for Spencer, to you, Spencer. I bought a guitar to you, Spencer. You think you're something special, Spencer? You think you're something brand new? You're old oats, Spencer. You're old, dry, stale oats, Spencer. I'm a magician, Spencer, a furious magician. You're a tall glass of water, aren't you, Spencer? You boy, precious boy. I beg you, Spencer, and I want your teeth for the Federal Reserve. I'm cutting interest rates in half, Spencer, and I need your teeth. You think you can mock me, Spencer? Do you? Do you think you can mock me, Spencer? Do you think you can capture my essence and throw it back at me with humor and rhetorical devices? When you can't, Spencer, you don't know what I'm capable of. I need your teeth for my Lonely Hearts Club Band, Spencer, Ben Bernanke. I'm a magician, Spencer, a furious magician. Are you proud of your country? Are you proud of your country? Sitting up there in your high chair, demanding more applesauce. You already got applesauce, Spencer. There's plenty of applesauce on your plate. My mother tries to get me to go on dates, Spencer. You know what that's like? You know how humiliating that is, Spencer? I'm a magician, Spencer, a furious magician. I'm a magician, Spencer, a furious magician.